Hello friends, welcome you all to Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. Friends, you know hot springs are one of the natural wonders of the planet and India has many hot springs. In today's episode, you will get to see one of such hot springs that we have visited. Stay back till the end friends to see the wonders of the hot springs and you will be amazed to see some of the interesting stuffs that is associated with hot springs. So stay with us. So we are driving towards Manikaran friends. From Manali we have taken a car and it is around 82 kilometers from Manali and approximately 40 kilometers from Kulu. It is one of the must visit hot springs if you are in Manali friends. This is one of the most sacred hot springs in the country and one of the hot springs that has its own importance to both Hindu and Sikhs because of the mythologies that are in place. As per Hindu mythologies, Manu recreated human life after the flood of the river which is accompanying us here friends called Parvati river. Hot springs, apart from its own mythological values, it has its own medical importance as it contains multiple minerals that is otherwise normally not present in the water friends. There are many temples and one Gurudwara in Manikaran friends. As I said, it has importance to both Hindus and Sikhs friends. As per Hindu mythology, Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati was roaming at one point in this place when goddess Parvati lost one of her precious stone from her ear. So precious stone is called Mani and from ear means it is Karan, so Mani Karan. So she was very upset about it and she asked Lord Shiva to find for her. And then Lord Shiva asked his attendants to go and find that precious stone from the river. But none of them could find it because this particular stone was seized by Sheshnag. So Lord Shiva was very angry and when he is angry, his third eye opened which caused immense disturbance to the entire universe. And therefore the area was flooded with boiling water. Finally, Sheshnag surrendered the precious stone and therefore both Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati was happy at the end friends. So that's the story, mythological story behind Hindu beliefs and the importance Hindus have towards this place friends. True or false? Interesting one, isn't it? So we have reached Manikaran friends. You can see the emergence of the spring from the hot boiling water. The entire space was very hot when we were walking there also. The floor was very hot there friends because of the hot springs. Jewel was very small at that point of time. She was just 1 year old friends and she visited along with us in Manikaran. Food can be cooked in this hot spring friends. There are a lot of temples in this place. We could see Ramachandra temple, we could see a Shiva temple. There's a big statue of Lord Shiva there that you can see here friends. And people were also trying to cook rice grain here. You can see they have immersed rice grain and then finally cooked rice was taken out. I can remember that we have also carried the food for Jewel and we sat there and we finished her feeding there and after that we have taken the boiled water from the hot spring and we have washed her the bowl and the bottles also because hot boiling water from the hot spring. serve the purpose of sanitization. The place is important for the Sikhs, friends, because it is believed that Guru Nanak visited along with his people to this place, and they felt very hungry. Although they got raw food materials from the locals, but there was no fire to cook the food item, and therefore he asked to lift a stone and compelled to make it a hot spring there. You can see that small Jewel is so excited. She has seen so much water in the very first time of her entire 1 year of life, and everything was so hot there. She started shouting, "Water, water, water," there, friends. Not as a pilgrimage, but we visited that place as a tourist, friend, and I can tell you it's a important destination in our country to visit. And if you are heading towards Manali or Kulu, this is very nearby from that place, so you can make your plan and visit this place, friends. So friends, let me know how do you like this video. If you have liked it, please like, comment, and if you are visiting for the first time, please subscribe to the channel so you are part of this family and part of unstoppable digital traveling, which keeps continuing even though when you are not traveling, friends. See you again in the next episode. Till then, take care. Bye bye.